So here's an example of how you can use shutter speed and your f-stop and ISO along with it. But the shutter speed in this case is what we're trying to be creative with. The whole point of this trip that I made to Rafabgo Falls was I wanted to blur the water using a slow shutter speed. So in the first photo, the shutter speed is at 1/125th of a second, which is enough to do a fairly decent job of freezing the water. It gives the waterfall a harsher appearance, but it also helps to freeze the people in the frame, and they look sharper. In the second photo, I used 1/5 of a second shutter speed. That caused the water to blur and gives it a very soft feel. But you'll notice that one of the people in the foreground was walking, and so he is blurred also. The other people, even though they're stationary, they're not as sharp as they were in the first photo. So that's an example of how to use shutter speeds creatively. You also notice that the ISO value, the equivalent of your film speed when you're shooting on film, is different, and also the f-stop and focal length were changed.